moral rules. In this situation, I have to say one more thing. Our Honorable Justice M.B. Ramana garu, while attending inauguration, next building, High Court building at Aurangabad on 23 and 21, presented some caps. Those are like this. Strength of judicial officers in the country 24,000 to 80, but available court complexes are 20,140. Again, among all court complexes, in 26% of the court complexes only separate ladies toilet. In 26% of the court complexes only separate ladies toilet were. In 16 complexes, 16% of the complexes there is no ladies toilet at all. Even the ladies toilet is also not there. 54 court complexes there is no purified drinking water. In only 5% complexes are having basic medical facilities. 32% of the courtrooms have only separate record. Remaining 68% there is no record rooms. In 51% of the court complexes only have library. Only 27% of the courtroom having computer based on just as with connection video conferencing facility. Apart from that, when coming to the working strength of the judges, in India about 16,726 judges only present against the approved strength of 22,474. It shows that there is a lack of 5,748 of judicial officers were not there. Courts were there, but judges were not there. These judges were worked almost as earlier said, in charge officers were doing. Apart from that, when coming to the court staff is concerned, only 50 to 60% of court staff and judicial officers are now working. With all these hard facts, the judges are doing their levels. 50 to 60% of judges are having judicial officers are now working. But when coming to all these hard facts, the judges are doing their levels. 50 to 60% of judges are having judicial officers are now working. But when coming to all these hard facts, the judges are doing their levels. 50 to 60% of judges are having judicial officers are now working. Cannot ask directly accused unless accepting some 165 evidence act or evidence act. There is no other provision to inquire into the matter personally. Judge cannot do that. Only judge has to visit. He has to, after following the evidence provisions of the evidence act, has to record the evidence and then he has to find out real truth and then basing on that. He has to promise it. For that only, judges generally, after evidence of all this. Hypothetical question: whether the prosecution proved the guilt of death. For determining the truth, they will take this question, and then based on moral and documentary evidence, you will appraise the situation, and then you will find. This is the procedure. Because of our adversarial system, these processes continue, and then when there are rival claims between the defense counsel and prosecution, when the investigation of not done the investigation, actual facts to fulfill the batches in the investigation, you will cover everything, and then you will give certain wrong information to the court. When coming to the witness is concerned, what he knows will tell before the court. There are, for that reason, there are several competitions happening. For that reason, court will even think this thing was happening, this is good, court will not do the judgment. Because of delays also, because of delays reason, the memory will fade, witnesses memory faded. Investigation of who done investigation by wholeheartedly, he will not be there after 2 or 3 days he will be transferred. And there are magistrate who do the remand after 3-4 years he will not there. He knows at the time of remand at least he read the FIR contents and then remand report and gravity of incident, and he will found some injuries on the victim. Maybe he knows everything. At least he has some idea over the case. But at the time of trial begins, no investigation will be there, no deciding officer will be there, no witness will be there. Maybe if he is a government servant, he will be confident on that case. Nobody will be there except the victim and the judge. Basically, all these reasons may not get a good result. That is, magistrate maybe not collaborate with because of weak evidence. Many of the cases so in this background, who is responsible for? My point is, who is responsible for this lapses? Who is responsible for the delay of disposal of the cases? My hypothesis, based on this hypothesis, I started my thesis, and then my topic, based on my topic, I divided in this one 7 chapters. Among this, my first topic, I have formulated 5 questions. My first hypothetical question is: the present administration of criminal justice system is suffering from serious defects, and without necessary changes, it cannot provide speedy criminal justice. Its implications are on victim, accused, society at large, and also on merits of the case. This is my first hypothesis question. I had extensively explained about all these factors in second and third chapters. So in second chapter, concept of speedy criminal justice, global and national perspectives, I had explained the background of speedy justice and concept of importance of right to speedy justice in international courts. There are consequences of delay and its effects on accused and victim, and then society. There are on merits of case also I had explained. I had highlighted the 4 constitutional provisions in regard to speedy justice, which is currently explained in Article 21 of Indian Constitution. I also explained extensively the cases decided at the Honorable Apex Court in regard to speedy justice. I also tried to explore in regard to procedure and substantive laws, what were they earlier, and then what are the amendments were made for reducing the huge pendency of cases in various courts. I also mentioned about the various law commission reports, including Parliament Committee report and the other committees report, to address the problem of this. Then coming to the next hypothetical question is: all the stakeholders of criminal administration of criminal justice, that is judges, lawyers, public prosecutors, investigating officers, victims and accused persons, are their own role for the delay of criminal justice system. My end is this one. Their own role. Each one is having their own role, and huge backlog cases. Inefficiency and vested interest also may be the reason of causing the delay. For answering this question, I have extensively explained in chapter 3, that is speedy criminal justice, bottlenecks in pre-trial, trial and post-trial process. In this chapter, police, advocates, litigants and public prosecutors are all responsible for delays in dispensation of justice. For that, several sessions were given. Among them, one is legitimate prosecutor functions are to be assigned public prosecutor in pre-trial and trial post-trial is very, very important. If the prosecutor assigned this duty, if there is an insufficient of evidence, there itself the prosecutor cut out the case and file final report. Normal police are not filing final report. Even though there is a weak case, they are covering all facts and filing charge sheets. Because of their weak case, cases are ended in acquittal. We are filing of the charge sheet without any case which leads to filing of the cases before the court. Nothing is. For that reason, if from the beginning of the arrest, if the public prosecutor is given wide powers to probe into the matter and decide whether it is a fit case for charging that. If it is not fit case, then it will be stopped away. If it is stopped away the public prosecutor, it will be helpful for reducing the cases of filing before the court of law. Not only that, various practices of accused and defense counsel others create roadblocks resulting in the copy trial process also. With regard to that aspect also, several suggestions and remedies were given. Not only that, this chapter finds practical need to involve prosecutor in cases where conviction and plea bargaining cases. Normally in plea bargaining cases, where the public prosecutor has no role, he has no power to reduce the sentence. Even in plea bargaining case, if the accused accepted the guilt, even reduced the fine amount may be reduced, but 1/4 sentence mandatory has to undergone. When the accused asked the 3 years punishment without undergone 6 months, at least minimum of sentence of 6 months, nobody can come forward. Straight away we can say no single case settled on the plea bargaining case immediately as genuinely. No single person will undergone 1/4 sentence on the plea bargaining because these are the hurdles to be removed. At the same time, compounding of the cases also, magistrate has no role. The role should be given to the magistrate. If the wide roles were given, the public prosecutor involved in compromising process and more number of the cases can be settled. This suggestion was also given in my thesis. My third hypothetical question is the effective use of court management, case management tools which help in rendering speedy criminal justice and reducing the backlog cases. Based on these hypotheses, for every court now, in olden days, we may have flexible practices, but now for smart work is required. For doing smart work, in this chapter, I have given some number of management techniques, court management and case management techniques. For case management technique means how to run the case file from starting to end. This is the case management. Court management means how to run the entire cases of court in a process for speed up the cases and for speedy disposal of cases. These techniques were in detail explained in this chapter. Not only that, for effective speedy justice, alternate dispute ADR mode is one of the important modes as suggested. In UK and USA, there are settlement of cases in ADR mode very effective. Whereas in India concerned, there are several challenges before ADR. If those provisions were altered and changes according to Indian situation, we can dispose of the cases through ADR more effectively. My next hypothetical question is the effective use of information and communication technology can enhance the criminal justice systems, quality, productivity, accountability and transparency. Courts can become more efficient, fast, responsible and user-friendly with the help of information and communication technology. This is my question. To answer this question, I had given in detail what are the uses of information and communication technology, how information and communication technology started in India, when started, what are the improvements were made, what is the e-court committee, how activity it was done, how many phases the ICT information communication technology were implemented in our country, what is the stage of ICT in our country is also explained in detail. Further, I have to explain the overall impact of establishment of e-court will result in disposal of cases, ease of case maintenance, reliability of evidence recorded, and more transparency in functioning of the court is also discussed in this chapter. My last hypothetical, my question is, the usage of artificial intelligence in legal domain can provide remarkable resources and tools to help in speedy criminal justice. However, there is one barrier, that is, AI cannot replace the actual human decision-making abilities and is not fully matured to take the question of judges as legal laminators, as it cannot deal with complexity. This is the conclusion.
Complex issues are okay.
Yes.
Regarding other matters.
Other matters it can do, sir. There is several tools for example, DNA mapping. Even within seconds it will do DNA mapping. Face identification. If a person is accused in one case, if you take
forensic help, it can directly.
Can. These type of tools are there. Suppose this one. Copyright Act concerned, when it is a particular emblem is copyright, a particular emblem is there for every copyright institution. For whether it is true or it is false, it will give in seconds report. If you send it to the tool, it will do this one is forged or for that reason only this copyright is forged one. One can be the other one is this one is genuine, this is my own.